Hey guys, how are you now? Just filming my young lad Josh. He's the main guy that feeds the sheep around here. He uses a small John Deere loader, and he's going right now to open up a new ag bag. There's the mixer he puts it in right here. That's a Pat's mixer. It's a fairly large rig. And oh, it's a cool morning here. It's -10, and it's what is it? It's the weekend of time changes here in March. So it's kind of cool for, you know, you'll get these though. You'll get a snowy day or cool days and warm days. Josh also does some maple syrup, so he's hoping we get a little bit of warm temps in the day coming up. Anyway, he's just getting ready to open the bag up. Thought I'd film it here and you can see what it's like. These bags are, well, these ones here are about 200 feet long. They're 250-foot bags, so it might be a bit more than, it might be more like 220 or something. And they're Haylage. These ones are. And they're 9 feet diameter bags. But honestly, they're probably more like 12 or 14 feet wide when it's flattened out on the ground. There's Josh. Like I said, he's our main feed guy here. Of course, there's not many of us here. But anyway, he's a feed guy and he spreads all the manure. So he puts everything into the sheep and takes everything away. So he's just cutting now. What we do is we have a 2x4 we wrap around the plastic here, and that seals it. He's cutting her there right now. I went to the New York Farm Show, and Ag Bag Taylor gave me a special cutting tool to give to Josh. Cut open the ag bag. And yeah, it works. How do you think? It works all right, Josh?
Works pretty good.
Use
I
it
like it.
Use it every day, Josh does here. We'd like to thank Ag Bag Taylor because Josh really likes it. I just love the smell of the haylage. You like that, Josh?
Yes.
It does smell good. We got a bit of snow. It's not the easiest open there today because we got a lot of snow on it and stuff. Maybe I can help get some of this off. It's all crusting up.
Loader yet.
Yeah. Maybe just take the top layer off a little bit. That is a neat tool. You just dig her in and it'll cut open, eh? So this is real time here, guys. We're not editing or anything. This is, you're seeing how long it takes on a snowy day, crusted snow, and how long it might take to open the bag, but really, we really like ag bags. They're a slick way to feed. As long as you got a nice flat area to put them that's kind of drained. Maybe we could just pull that crust off. I think we could probably maybe pull it back there now. And you see the haylage there. It's crusted on top, but Josh is kind of limping around with a broken finger, so he's kind of having troubles too. Broke it in a crowding tub, vaccinating sheep the other day. This is probably one of the hardest times you've ever opened a bag, isn't it, Josh?
Yes.
In a sec, I'll put this down and maybe there we go. Well, you're getting it. Bear with us, guys. That's really buried. Might have to cut the bottom part off that plastic here. What we do, guys, is you can see right here this is dry hay. Now we put through the bag or when we're near done, or when we're done, and it'll push a lot of the haylage away from the tunnel. That's how we help clean it out. So anyway, we'll finish here with, I'll just show you what the haylage is like here. You take this crust off. There's actually really nice haylage in there. So anyway, guys, have a good one. We'll talk to you.